Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I'll be unboxing my first ever purchase of Russian military watch, Vostok Komandirskie. Let's begin with unboxing. Wrapped in bubble wrap, let's get it out of the way. Simple and ordinary box. But then again, it's not an expensive or luxury watch. Comes with the documentation. It's all in Russian. The weight of the watch seems quite good, not too light, not too heavy. Let's get the wrapper out. I like the red indices on the dial and the monogram military at the back of the case. The straps are a bit stiff, but you can always change them. Could have been a bit longer. This is 39 mm dial, plexiglass. Sits well on my wrist. Haven't got the biggest wrist in the world, but looks fine on my wrist. So overall, I would say not bad for a daily beater. I'm gonna enjoy this for the rest of the day, and I hope you have a good rest of the day as well. Keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy.